मैं बिल्कुल उनका बेटा हूँ, स्वाभाविक है मेरी इच्छा ज़रूर होगी। उनके जितने समर्थक हैं, उनके जितने चाहने वाले, उनकी इच्छा भी है। मैं मानता हूँ कोई चीज़ अगर मांग के मिली तो क्या मिली। मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो लगाव मेरे पिता के साथ था और इस देश के प्रति जो उनके कार्य रहे हैं, जो उनका समर्पण रहा है, मुझे लगता है आज नहीं तो कल जिस सम्मान के वो हकदार हैं, बिना मांगे वो उनको मिलेगा। I don't know whether we'll see that kind of reduction happening or not, but then these were certain issues which I just said. I want to be that link between the industry and the government, and through World Food India, that's exactly what we try to do. Their concerns, their issues were raised, were put across in front of the concerned authorities. Now eventually it's for those authorities, those departments to take a final call. As a minister, I'm trying my best to resolve all the concerns that the people of my industry faces. Well, eventually I'm focused on the complete nation. To be very honest, as I was just mentioning in my speech also, India is a land of diversity, and that is the beauty of my country. You know, right from top north to down south, east to west, there's so much of variety. Even when it comes to food products, when it comes to our way of, to our style of eating also. You know, our choice of eating. You know, what we eat in north is way different than what we eat in north. And eventually, I want everything to come to a level where we can take them forward globally. So yes, I mean, rather than focusing on particular states, definitely few states which are agro-prone, pro states, whether it's Punjab, my state, Bihar, you know, these states definitely will always be priority. But then having said that, northeastern states again would be one of the priorities. Down south, compilation of all the states, you know, would definitely be priority. So when I say this, I think it's the nation as a whole. That is something collectively with the whole of the government approach. We are trying to work on that. As I mentioned, my Prime Minister also has a similar thought when it comes to this, that Indian standard eventually should be recognized as the global standard, as recognized as world standard. So that is something what we are working towards. Well, nothing in particular, because everybody's got their own taste buds. And I'll repeat myself, India is country of diversity. So rather than picking something particular, I would want everyone to flourish and grow. मेरी कल ही मुलाकात केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री आदरणीय अमित शाह जी से हुई है, जहां पे मौजूदा राजनीतिक हालातों के साथ साथ आने वाले विभिन्न राज्यों में जहां पे चुनाव होने हैं, उसको लेकर भी चर्चा हुई है। झारखंड को लेकर भी चर्चा हुई है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं जिस तरीके से राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हमारा गठबंधन मजबूती के साथ है, अलग अलग राज्यों में जहां पर हम लोग ने अलग से चुनाव नहीं लड़ा, हरियाणा हो या जम्मू कश्मीर हो, वहाँ पे मेरी पार्टी ने मजबूती से समर्थन भारतीय जनता पार्टी का किया है। झारखंड में भी मेरी सोच यही है कि हम लोग एनडीए के साथ मिलकर हम लोग चुनाव लड़े। नोटिफिकेशन आते आते तक 2-4 दिन में जब तक अधिसूचना आएगी तब तक इस पे अंतिम फैसला भी ले लिया। अब हम लोग गठबंधन के तहत लड़ते हैं, अकेले लड़ते हैं, कैसा परिस्थिति बनती है। कल बहुत सकारात्मक मुलाकात मेरी केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री आदरणीय अमित शाह जी के साथ भी हुई है।